In this episode, we will discuss how to go about selecting natural stones for your home. Do you love marble, granite, or even onyx? There are so many varieties in the market. How do you go about selecting them for your home? How much does it cost, and how do you maintain them in the long run? Keep watching and we will share with you our findings. Hi guys, welcome back to Design Maven. This is a platform where we showcase beautiful homes, houses, share tips and tricks for your reno. So do subscribe to us, click on the notification bell for more design trends and expert tips. Today, we are here at Stone Gallery by Hafary and we will take you on a tour to see how we select natural stones for your homes. As we know, natural stones is admired for its beautiful grains and color. No two pieces are alike, and there will be grains and impurities in the stone itself. So what are the steps to go about selecting and maintaining them? Today, we have Yenny from Hafary. She will be sharing with us the process on how to go about doing it. Hi Yenny, welcome to Design Maven.
Hello everyone!
There are many types of natural stones in the market, and the widely used ones are the granite and marble. What other type of natural stones are there and where are they from?
For natural stone, there are marble, granite, quartzite, travertine, onyx, and limestone.
So in front of me, we have sample pieces of marble. This is actually a marble piece. This is actually a onyx. So these are onyx, and these are all actually granite samples.
These are commonly produced from Italy, Spain, Brazil, Turkey, Oman, China, and Asia.
I see. So all these natural stones come from all over the world. Now we see that natural stones are indeed gorgeous. I understand that natural stone costs more than man-made tiles. So what are the difference between these two?
Natural stone is a blend of elegance, durability, and style direct from Mother Nature. It's unique with a wonderful array of color, tone, texture, and beautiful patterns, varying from surface to surface, making each tile unique. Natural stones are highly resistant to weather and wear. It's also more valuable than man-made tiles because it can't simply be reproduced from synthetic material. Besides, natural stone can be repolished when there are scratches and dullness occur on the surface, whereas man-made tiles are not likely to repolish due to its manufacturing method.
So finding the right stone to suit your budget is important. One tip is to use it in the living and dining as it's the main focus of the house. So Yenny, how do I go about selecting natural stones for my home? What are the finishes available for natural stones?
When selecting natural stone for home, the first thing to consider is the intended application. For example, you may want to consider polish or horn finish for your living room floor.
So this is actually a piece of polished marble which is very reflective. It also can be very slippery. Yeah, so we have to take into consideration the area for use.
Polish or horn for bathroom wall and dry floor, and perhaps leather, sandblast, flame for wet floor.
So we have samples here. This is actually a granite that is leather finish. It's very slip resistance, and we have it in flame finish for the granite.
This may be the deciding factor in your stone selection as well. Third, consider about the practicality. Do you prefer polish, horn, or texture? Different texture may require different maintenance approach and may affect your decision over long-term usage.
So in summary, there are 3 points to take note on your selection process. One will be the intention of use. The second will be the finishing of the stone. Third will be the color scheme, like it dark or bright. So remember the 3 pointers for your selection process. Next comes our very important question. How much does it cost for all these natural stones? What is the price range like?
The price range for natural stone products are largely subjected to availability, demands, rarity, size and patterns. Some materials are easily harvested and are commonly available in the market. whereas some are distinctively difficult to source and may take months to years to find the desired patterns.
Like pieces of onyx, these are quite what we consider as exotic stones.
Starting price from 200 per square meter for beige and grey marble. Some white marbles such as Calacata and Statuario from Italy are categorized as luxury material. The price for this material has risen sharply due to high market demands and distinct patterns. The price could go higher than 3,000 per square meter for a good one.
Wow.
And even higher for an extra premium grades. There are also some exotic material likewise green and blue quartzite from Brazil, which are also popular among the ID selection. The prices are categorized within luxury and premium range from 1,000 to 5,500 per square meter, depends on color, size and grade.
Wow, okay.
Overall, our natural stone price range are from 200 to 5,500 per square meter.
Now we know the price ranges from 200 to 5,500 per square meter, which is a huge range, so budget your reno and select the right stone for your home. The next important thing is caring and maintaining your stone flooring. How do we go about caring for them? Are there any cleaner we should or shouldn't use?
Natural stones are porous by nature and require a different maintenance program than tiles. Many of the cleaners suitable for tiles can damage, dull or stain stone. As dirt and dust will scratch the surface of stone floors should be vacuumed frequently. Natural stone should be cleaned with neutral cleaners. Stone cleaners should never contain acid and bleach. Acid, even a light solution of vinegar and water, will etch and eventually damage the natural stone.
So as we know, caring for your natural stone is simply a little bit more troublesome than compared to ceramic or porcelain tiles. So there are 3 points to actually take note. Firstly, vacuum your floor regularly. Second, use neutral cleaners only. Third, do not use acid, even vinegar on the natural stone. So having the knowledge of how to upkeep and maintain your natural stones will ensure the beauty and the aesthetics of your stone lasting even longer. Thank you, Yenny, for sharing with us all this precious knowledge on stone selection and maintenance. We hope you have a better idea now going about your stone selection. Do remember to subscribe to us, like and comment below on what you would like to see next for your home reno, and we will do our very best. If you have a fabulous home or house that you would like us to feature, do email us on the bio link below. This is Adrian Heng from Design Maven. Thank you for watching and I will see you guys real soon.